Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, well-maintained classic pickup with 152,000 miles on the odometer, powered by a 5.7L engine paired with an automatic transmission and running on gasoline. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a blue interior that remains in excellent condition with no rips. This truck comes with a clean title and has had its maintenance consistently kept up to date, including a recent transmission service. It is equipped with 22-inch US mags and tires that still have good tread. Several important components have been recently replaced, such as the radiator and brakes, ensuring reliable performance. The bed is protected with a new bed liner, and the air conditioning system is fully functional. Additionally, the tags have been paid, making it ready for immediate use.
Number 2.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, powered by a 4.3L V6 engine with a 2WD drivetrain and paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has traveled 147,000 miles and comes in a red exterior with a gray interior. The truck runs and drives great, making it a dependable choice for daily use or work purposes. It has been well maintained, featuring all new fluids, a fresh oil change, and new differential fluid. Additionally, it is equipped with brand new Co-IB gas shocks installed all around, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. The vehicle also includes a set of chrome Aero 52 series wheels fitted with brand new Cooper tires, which will be included with the purchase. The paint remains in good condition for its age and still presents well, with only a few minor scratches and no dents. The body is straight, reflecting careful ownership. Overall, this truck is easy to maintain and offers practicality and durability. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand.
Number 3.
1992 Chevrolet S10, price $7,500, well-kept compact pickup that offers a balance of reliability and classic styling. It has accumulated approximately 140,000 miles and is powered by a 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, making it a solid choice for those who prefer a more engaging driving experience. This particular model comes in a short bed configuration, ideal for light hauling and everyday utility. The truck features a clean white exterior that gives it a timeless look, complemented by a gray interior that maintains a simple and functional design. Both the engine and transmission are reported to be in good working condition, indicating that the vehicle has been maintained well enough to remain dependable for daily use or project purposes. In addition, the vehicle includes a title and registration, providing peace of mind for a smooth ownership transfer.
Number 4.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $4,499, well-maintained and dependable pickup truck with a clean title in hand, offering peace of mind for its next owner. With 170,000 miles on the odometer, it has proven its durability while still running strong. It is powered by a reliable 4-cylinder engine that is in excellent condition, delivering consistent performance, and is paired with a transmission that shifts smoothly and operates as it should. The vehicle has no leaks and is known for being fuel efficient. In addition to its mechanical reliability, the truck is in good overall cosmetic condition. The paint remains in good shape, giving it a presentable exterior, while the interior is clean and well maintained, reflecting proper care over the years. It also comes equipped with a set of good tires, ensuring it is ready to hit the road without immediate additional expenses.
Number 5.
2000 Nissan Frontier, price $6,600. This vehicle has 126,000 miles on it, is equipped with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a gray exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a clean and practical look. The truck comes with a salvage title and is powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine. It is reported to have no mechanical issues, with no check engine lights on and no oil leaks. The engine runs strong, and the truck drives smoothly without any unusual suspension noises. It has been well maintained as a dependable work vehicle, with both the air conditioning and heating systems functioning properly. The tires are in good condition, and the vehicle performs reliably on the road. Additionally, the truck is being sold with a valid smog certification, registration valid through July 2026, and both the title and smog documents in hand.
Number 6.
1995 Nissan Pickup, price $7,000, with 135,000 miles is being offered as a reliable and well-maintained compact truck. Finished in green with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered vehicle features a 5-speed manual transmission and a 4-cylinder 2WD setup. It has been described as a dependable daily driver, equipped with a properly functioning air conditioning system and radio. the truck has received extensive recent maintenance and upgrades, including a new clutch, ball joints, shocks, control arm bushings, tie rods, brakes, fresh fluids, new tires, and a completed alignment.
Additional care has been taken with cosmetic details, such as reupholstered aluminum door cards.
It also comes with a large box of extra parts for the next owner, and it has already passed smog, making it ready for a smooth transfer.
Number 7.
1997 Ford F250, price $8,000, solid and dependable truck that has been well maintained over time. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, with an exterior finished in white and a tan interior. The vehicle has accumulated over 360,000 miles on the odometer, reflecting its extensive use. This truck comes with a rebuilt engine, which contributes to its strong performance despite the high mileage. It is equipped with brand new Costco tires that were installed just last month, adding to its road readiness and overall value. Known for its durability, the F250 remains very sturdy and dependable, making it a practical choice for work or daily use. Additionally, it holds a clean title and runs and drives great, offering peace of mind to its next owner.
Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,700, well-maintained classic pickup that has been driven for 293,000 miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a beige exterior paired with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. This truck was originally ordered with heavy-duty upgrades intended for hauling a camper. Although it was never used for that purpose, the oil has been consistently changed every 3,500 to 4,000 miles, reflecting careful and regular maintenance throughout its life. The smog check has already been completed, and the original window sticker. As a 31-year-old vehicle with high mileage, it is not in brand new condition. However, it has been very well cared for and remains reliable, making it a solid choice for someone seeking a dependable used truck that can still be driven with confidence over long distances.
Number 9.
1987 Nissan Pickup, price $3,800, showing 250,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a red exterior paired with a gray interior. The vehicle holds a clean title and is ready for work, with new tires already installed to ensure better performance on the road. It starts, runs, and drives well, making it a solid choice for those in need of a budget-friendly utility truck.
Additionally, it includes a sound system. However, the truck does show some cosmetic wear, including minor paint imperfections and a noticeable dent on the passenger side. The registration expired in November 2025, so that will need to be addressed by the next owner. Number 10.
1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,500, dependable and well-maintained pickup, ideal for both daily use and heavy-duty work. It is equipped with a powerful V6 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance. This 2WD truck has traveled 280,000 miles but continues to run and drive exceptionally well, reflecting consistent care and maintenance over the years. Finished in a green exterior with a tan interior, this Tacoma offers a clean and classic look. It comes with a clean title and has been owned by its second owner since 2003. As an extra cab model, it includes compact rear seating, adding extra practicality for passengers or storage. The air conditioning system functions perfectly, ensuring comfort in all conditions.